Okay, hi guys, welcome back to Katie's videos with me, Christy. Okay, so this is not going to be short. This is going to actually be just a little bit longer, but you see these molds here? Aren't they so cute? They're like little tiny birds here. So there's one, and then here's the other one. So that's what we're going to be doing, is making these. So one of them these are little tiny butterflies that are in here, which I'm going to use some of those in one of them. Not that one, with these flowers. And then I'm going to use, I'm going to do that with this one, and then this one I'm going to use some of these with a combination of these two flowers. Okay, so let's get started. I have my resin here. It's been sitting just for a little bit. I have it mixed up. So I have 2 little cups here that I'm going to be using. Alright, and I'm going to actually color the blue one. This one's going to be blue, this one's going to be kind of greenish. So here's the blue, here's the green, and let's go. This is going to be so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and just pour some in here. I'm not sure how much they're going to take. We'll just eyeball it. And I didn't make that much, so hopefully we won't have any waste here. If anything, minimal. Okay, so the first one I'm doing it. These are really dark, so I'm gonna just try and put like just a little tiny bit. Did I get it in there? I did. Okay, so let's try that. I'm gonna get some sticks over here. Okay, so I got some, if you can see right there on the side. And watch how much this is going to turn that blue. And I just want it to be a really kind of light blue. That's just a little too light. Okay, got a little bit more there. I'm going to put that off to the side. See, it's right there. Go ahead and get it. Because I'm going to put the glitter in for this one, and then obviously the glitter in for that one. So here we go. Okay, that's exactly how I want it. I just want it to be just a little bit blue. And now we'll put the fine glitter in here. You have to have some glitter. Nice and sparkly. Okay. Stir that up. Stir it up. Looks good. Okay. Okay, so these are probably all going to sink to the bottom, but I don't know, they're kind of light. So I'm actually going to put my flowers in the resin so they kind of get like soaked in resin. So I'll put that one on, and it's sticking to my finger. There we go. Put one of these blue ones, another yellow, white and a pink. They're not that big, so I think that should be enough for that one. And I'm going to put a blue one, a pink one, a really like pink purple one. See that? And then a green one. Okay, I think that, yeah, let's do a yellow. There we go. Go ahead and put those to the side. I'm going to mix those up. So trying to get the air out of those. Oh, look how pretty that is. Okay, so this one's going to be for this one. So I'm going to squirt this with some 91% alcohol. So hopefully it won't get any bubbles in there. Because this is my first time trying these molds. And be careful that they don't fall over. They do have the little... Alright, so here we go. Whoa. Okay. see just a little bit right here. That would be not good to have little air bubbles in there, because then it like makes a hole. Alright, that's gonna have to be good. I got a little baby wipe right here, or actually it's just a wipe, a disinfectant wipe. Just clean it up a little bit. And I'm actually gonna add just a tiny bit more because it looks like it's going in. Always want to try and tap it. One. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and so this is Resin's 4-hour fast cure. So hopefully it will fast cure. Let's just try to straighten it. Okay, so here's the next one. It's gonna be this green. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna start with one big drop. See how that works. So pretty. Look at how pretty that is. It's exactly what I wanted. I don't want it too dark. I still want it translucent. The mica powders that you use make it opaque. So these I just want translucent, because look at how small they are and how cute. It's going to be so neat. Okay, let's put this in here. You gotta have glitter. Here we go. Look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are going to get some of this darker colored flowers in here, which they're just like little pieces here because they're not. I think that's it. I'll get this piece right here. And then I'm going to do some of these purple. And then we're going to do some of these little fake flowers here. These have stems on them, and I really don't want to use too many of these. Okay, stack those up and away. And now these little tiny fake, I think they're like clay kind of flowers. But they're pretty. I really like them. Okay, so look at this little tiny thing. Okay, here we go. All might probably sink to, which will be the top, which will be okay because it will be pretty, because once it's this way you can see it. And I did want to squirt this one quickly with alcohol, make sure there's no balls on top. See, they're all like, I don't know why those are rising to the top. That's what pretty. Okay, we're done with this. Move those to the side, and here we go on this little tiny one. be back in 4 hours to demold. See ya! Okay, so here they are. They are done. Let's see how hard or easy it's going to be to get these out of here. Let's see. Without ripping it, because I don't want to rip it. I'll speed this up. Dang it. There we go. Okay. Hey, it's good. Oh, look at how cute. Look at that. Okay. See if it'll stand, which it does. There we go. And I'll go to a closer view afterwards. Finger in there. There we go. There we go. Now it should be easy. Okay, whoopsie. Oh, look at how pretty. Look at that. Yeah, all the flowers are weird. It's stayed to the top. Let's see if that stands. Okay. Wipe that off. Aw, so cute. Okay, I'll do a close up. Hold on. Okay, here it is. Look at how tiny they are. Really hope you guys like this. More to come. Blessings.